Vanakkam. I am Satish Ilan, retired Chief Engineer from Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Now, in this discussion, I am going to discuss about this the 9th and 10th November All India generation details, consumption, and peak levels, category-wise and state level also. And then COP26, UN Climate Change Conference, in which they are discussing about the emission level. So regarding this also we are going to discuss. And then the 111 mantra, that is energy conservation. Okay, yes, I think it is very useful to you. So I share some slides. This is already discussed. Regarding this, we are going to discuss. And then I am basically mechanical engineer, MBA and certified energy manager. I'm 60 years young. My motto is changing people's life and to create health, wealth, and happiness. My mission is to help 25 lakh family live a healthy and happy life by 2030. Why I'm taking this mission is I am an engineer, worked in the power station, other things. During that time, I am not able to concentrate on my health. The same pattern, most of engineers and staffs working in power stations and distributions and the engineering industries, they have to work day and night. They have to achieve their targets and other things. So I want to change their life. That is age group of 35 to 55, middle level management, top level management, CEOs. So this is my mission. Okay. Now I'm going to give the generation distribution details. Why I'm giving this? Why I'm taking this subject? What is the connection between the health and wellness and generation? It is a lot of connections are there. I'm giving detail in last. So this is the 9th generation details. Coal is the 73%. It is the total generation is 3,458 million units. Coal is the 2,512 million units. That is a contribution of coal is 73% of total generation on the day 9th. This is the 10th November. This the coal is the 74%. This is the 2,577 out of 3,498 total generation. So always play a major role. That is the coal is play a major role. Coal and lignite comes together. That is almost 75%. That is a CO2 emission from the power station is enormous by combustion of coal. So I am going to give the energy conservation tips in the last. Okay, this is a state-wise generation and the consumption. I'm giving this. The Maharashtra is the top one. That is a 485 million units. And in megawatts, that is the 23,568 megawatt. The least is Sikkim, 1 megawatt. Okay, 100 megawatt. That is on the 10th. That is the Maharashtra is a 23,535, 489 million units. The same thing. This is above 100 million unit states. That is the Orissa, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, MP, UP, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. This is the above 100 million units. Almost same in the next day also, 10th also. Almost all states, that is above 100 million units. This is the above 100 million units. This is the percentage base. That is the Maharashtra taking 485 million units on 9th. That is the percentage of combustion is 14%. So like this is the percentage of generation and consumption and million units and the percentage is on 9th. This is the 10th percentage and the generation consumption in million units. Maharashtra once again almost 14%, Gujarat 10%, UP 8%. Even though Tamil Nadu having the good rain and other things, that is the consumption is 7%. So Karnataka is the 5%. The southern part is most of the states are receiving heavy rainfall. That's why there is the less. Otherwise, it is the Tamil Nadu is 4th place. Almost all the time it is the fourth place. This is the million units. Why I'm saying this curve means Sundays and holidays come down and once again it picking up. Example, Deepavali 3,700 million units and now it is yesterday 3,402 million units. So near about 400 million units it increased from the holiday. This is another 5 states: Bengal, AP, Telangana, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. This is there in megawatts. So megawatts is the top is once again the Maharashtra. Yesterday 23,535 million megawatts. This is the another 5 states. So now comes to carbon dioxide emission. The COP main goal is COP26 main goal is in first goal, that is secure global net zero by mid-century and keep 1.5 degree within reach. By combustion of coal to generate coal and heavy industries and other things, CO2 emission comes up. So environment polluted. So that's why this conference taking so much care to reduce the emissions. Emissions reduction target that align with the reaching net zero by the middle of the century. You think about it. So how the emission comes? By combustion of coal, it comes. So we will try to avoid. How we are going to avoid? You say that 111 mantra to each of us in day-to-day activities. 1 unit electricity we can save per unit per day. Avoid minimum 1 kilometer travel per vehicle per day. Conserve the fossil fuel. Save minimum 1 liter water usage per person per day and achieve water security. Conserve water usage. By all these 111, if we are conserving this each unit per service per person and other things, we will take 100 crores people we can save. Means how much liter water we can save, how much energy we can save, how much energy we can save by pumping the water and sewage treatment and water treatment, other things. You think of that. So that's why we don't blame others. First, we start from ourselves. Work on ourselves. We will try to minimize 1 unit electricity consumption. We will try to avoid 1 kilometer travel. Before starting anywhere, we will plan Pakka means we can avoid definitely 1 kilometer. The same pattern 1 liter water. Instead of using this by shower, by using the water in the bucket itself, our body also bend. So many times we are doing exercise in the bathroom itself and the water also conserve. Okay. So this is my suggestions, because being a certified energy manager, each and every person having a social responsibility. So I give some ideas to the public. While you are watching this video, you think of that, you think of your future generation. At the middle of the century means 2050, what is your age? What is your younger generation age? Your grandson or granddaughter. So you think of that. So we will think our future generation. Okay. Thank you. Once again.